The names of Anambra Nigeria commissioners in Biafra land. Check if your brother or your sister is among those people they are going to call right now. Tell them to stay away from Biafra territory. Simon Ekpa. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oya, may you not forget to subscribe to this particular channel, and below this video you are going to see a link in the comment section. Click that link, it will take you direct to our YouTube so that you can subscribe over there and follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. Remember say some things wey we dey bring for you here, you no go see am for Nigerian media, they no go gree show am for those places where they expect make they show you news. Okay my people, na so we see am o. Make go look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. They say the PM wey be Prime Minister of Biafra Republic in exile has ordered all commissioners working for Nigeria government in Biafra territory to leave immediately, or they will enforce it on them. No be small thing. They say kasala don burst so and water don pass garri. This one na yawa don go as. They say PM of Biafra went ahead and mentioned the names of all commissioners in Biafra territory and asked them to stay away from Biafra territory. They have been there working for years and nothing have been changed. Say the Biafra Republic government in exile want to take action to do things right for the Biafra people. Okay, my people, no be small thing. We are going to play you the video for you to watch and check if your brother or your sister or your uncle is among this name that Simon Ekpa called from beginning to end. Try to watch this video from beginning to end. Then we will come back and continue when we watch the video.
This evening, we want to announce.
Guys, listen, we're going to watch it together.
If you hear your name today, you know that the time given to you has elapsed this day. You either distance yourself from being an enabler of the Fulani Islamic government, terrorist government that has been appointed to facilitate the killings of Biafra. Because you have directly and indirectly facilitated the killing of Biafrans through your appointment as a commissioner in your various states. After today, you are going to be declared, we are declaring you as an enemy of Biafra. And what it means is that if you are going to serve Nigeria government, you pack your bag and baggages, you go to Abuja. That is where Nigeria government
go to Abuja is what he said.
Nigeria government delegitimization has started in Biafra land, and the Biafra land cannot contain you and Biafra people. So from tomorrow, the 2nd day of September, as a commissioner under Nigeria within Biafra land, and you insisted of serving this state government, their various state, pack your bag and your luggages to Abuja, where is the capital of Nigeria. And from there, you can continue to dictate for those who are loyal to you, if there is any. But you see, Biafra land, it is not going to be conducive for any one of you from today. And so, those who have facilitated the killing of Biafrans in Anambra as a commissioner are as follows. Mr. Ifa Chinedu. Mr. Ifa Chinedu was born on the July 5th, 1966. And he hailed from Oka, in Oka South local government. Ifa Chinedu Onejeme, from tonight, relocate from to Abuja. Engineer Ifeanyi Okoma. Engineer Ifeanyi Okoma was born on the 22nd of November 1962. These are people who actually saw the Biafra war, at least as kids. And I don't understand the price our people paid. This Ifeanyi Okoma hails from Obosi in the Demili North local government area. From tonight, Biafra land will not be conducive for you. You have facilitated the killing of people in Anambra State, and Biafra has given you a grace which elapsed today. Professor Ofonze Amuchezi. Professor Fonze Amuchezi was born on the 8th of December 1969 from Umunnechi, Dunukofia local government of Anambra State. If you are
Watch
in
this video
Anambra
from beginning
and
to
continue
end.
to serve Nigeria, facilitated the killing, including mass murder of Biafra agitators, from tonight, Biafra will not be conducive for you. The next person is Mrs. Chiamaka Helen Nnake. Mrs. Chiamaka Helen Nnake, you were born on the 5th of March 1987. And as young as you are, you found yourself the privilege to facilitate the killing of Biafrans in Anambra with your position as a commissioner of budget and economic planning. You hail from Nnofia in Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. You have from tonight to leave Anambra, Biafra land. If you continue as a commissioner from tomorrow, Biafra land will not be conducive for you. Biafra people are coming for a revenge of every single person that have been killed by the government you serve. The next is Dr. Afam Ben Obidike. Afam Ben Obidike was born on the 11th of February 1984. These are young people. Yet, they choose to be the devil advocate, facilitating the killing of people in Anambra State. You are serving as the Commissioner of Health. You hear from Akwaeze and Ocha local government of Anambra State. Mr. Patrick Agbamba. Patrick Agbamba, you were born on the 3rd of March 1979. You hear from Onitsha North local government area of Anambra State. From tonight, Biafra land will not be conducive for you. Because you have participated in facilitating the killings of Biafra people, and today, Biafra people are sending message that from tomorrow, Biafra land will not be conducive for you. Mrs. Ife Yinwa Marislane Obinabo, you were born on the 1st of June 1969. And you hear from Ufoma, Oruma North local government area of Anambra State. If you continue to stay in Anambra from tomorrow, believe me, Anambra State is a Biafra land, and that particular Biafra territory can never be conducive for you. Dr. Obinna Chima Ngona Ade, you were born on the 8th of November 1979. The reason why I am bringing out the date of birth is for people of Biafra to see the age of those committing this impunity and atrocities against our people. They are not 70 years, they are not 80 years, they are young people who ought to know better. You come from Nnewichi, Nnewi North local government area of Anambra State. From tonight, Biafra land will never be conducive for you. Do not take this particular announcement for granted. It is going to happen and everybody is going to see it. It is called delegitimization of the Nigeria government within Biafra territory. The process has begun. Engineer Julius Melikam Chukwuemeka, you were born on the 25th of November 1987. You come from Enugu out, Anambra East. From tonight, Biafra land will not be conducive for you and your gangs. You serve as a commissioner for power and water resources, yet there is no water and there is no power in Anambra. And you are born 87. You're still a young man. Professor Ngozi Teresa Chuma Ude, you were born on the 12th of June 1969. You hail from Uli in Ihiala local government of Anambra State. You have participated in the killing of Biafra people in Anambra State. And Biafra land will not be conducive for you and your criminal gangs from tomorrow. You serve as a commissioner for education in Anambra State, yet there is no school fees for the student. There is no free education. There is no structure. There is no conducive environment for people to go to school. Mr. Paul Nwosu, you were born on the 24th of September 1960, 7 years before Biafra War started. You were just almost the same age with my son, who knows everything, almost everything. So you may have knowledge of the Biafra War because by then you were 10 years old when the Biafra War ended. Yet, you are now sharing the national cake and facilitating the road and checkpoint, the roadblock and checkpoint in entire Anambra State, serving the interest of the killers and making yourself available to become the enabler of the genocide happening in Anambra State, part of BiafraLand. From tonight, that land of Anambra will not be conducive for you. You are the Commissioner for Information. So I believe this information, you shouldn't allow somebody to pass it to you. By now, you should be sitting on this program to listen for first-hand information from the Biafra Prime Minister. Dr. Foster Ihejiofor, you were born on the 27th of March 1959. You were 11 years old when Biafra War ended. You come from Obunka, Norumba South local government of Anambra State. From tonight, Biafra land will not be conducive for you. Barrister Mrs. Patricia Ifoma Igwebuike, you were born on the 23rd of March 1963. You hail from Munteje in Oyi local area of Anambra State. From tonight, both in your village in Teje, Oyi, and anywhere you are in Biafra land, you will never have peace until you leave to Abuja and do your commissioner from there. We have started the delegitimization of Nigeria in Biafra territory.
Very well, listen.
Engineer Felix Chinedu Odimegwu, you were born on the 20th March 1976. You hail from Ezinifite Nnewi South local government of Anambra State. You have participated and become an enabler to the killing and genocide going on in Anambra part of Biafra. And for that reason, Anambra will not be conducive for you from tonight. Mr. Chikode Anara, you call yourself the Homeland Affairs, and you were born on the 31st October 1963. You were 4 years old before Biafra War started and 7-year-old when it ended. You hail from Amonuke, Oka local government area of Anambra State. From tonight, the Anambra State where you call yourself a Homeland Affair will never be conducive for you. If you take this particular development for granted, believe me, you will regret ever not taking it serious. The land of Biafra will swallow you. Professor Mrs. Silva Chika Ifemeje, they gave you Attorney General of Anambra. You were born on the 14th May 1967, just at the eve and the start of the Biafra War. You hear from Oga in Agwata local government. Yet, you do not understand the symbolic nature of your birth, that by now you should be one of those in the forefront of the liberation of Biafra. But no, Biafra and agitators are littered all over Anambra State prison and police detention facilities. under your watch. They committed no crime. You facilitated their killing. None of this family that have been killed has gotten justice in Anambra State. But you are there overseeing the killing of Biafrans without having justice, especially the families of those.
Guys, listen very well.
Biafrans. So, from tonight, Attorney General Anambra State will never be conducive for you. What I'm saying is that you can't fight entire 4 million people in Anambra, because this, what I'm telling you now, is a message from 70 million Biafrans and over 5 million people in Anambra State. You can't fight them. Mr. Collins Anthony Mwabunwanne, you were born on the 5th June 1978. You hail from Oramate Titianam in Anambra West. Why I'm calling where you hail from and where you come from is for you to understand that we are going to uproot you from your taproot. You have participated and facilitated the killing of Biafra people in Anambra State by aiding, supporting the government of Nigeria in Anambra, and we are delegitimizing you from tonight. And so, if you find yourself as a commissioner and you want to face it that you are continuing to be a commissioner from tomorrow, BiafraLand will not be conducive for you. Go to Abuja. We are not asking you not to be a commissioner, but you can't be commissioner anymore in BiafraLand. We own the land. Mr. Donatus Nduka Onyenji, you were born on the 14th of May 1961. You hail from Akuku, Idemili local government area of Anambra State. From tonight, if you continue to be a commissioner in Anambra State, move to Abuja. Anambra can never be conducive. It doesn't matter how long it takes Biafra people to make sure you are evicted right from your village. It does not matter how long it takes. But let me tell you, we are not in a hurry. We never rush. But you must leave BiafraLand from tonight. Barrister Anthony Ikechukwu Ifeanya, you were born on the 21st of May 1963. Anako, Ayamelum local government area. Biafra people have decided that for you to continue to be commissioner in Anambra State, you must vacate Anambra, relocate to Abuja from tonight. And if you continue to stay in Anambra, be ready for what comes with it. You can't be a commissioner in BiafraLand serving under Nigeria from tonight. Barrister Paulinus Ifechukwu Onyeka, you were born on the 30th of June 1967, just already when the Biafra War have started. You survived it. You survived Kwashoko. You survived the starvation of Nigeria and British. Yet, today, you're in a religious for. People died, your mate died out of starvation and Kwashoko. You hear from Ozunulu, Ilekusigo local government area of Anambra State. Yet, you are being part of those fighting for freedom of Biafra against them, killing them, facilitating and supporting the government that commit genocide again for the second time, after you have narrowly survived Kwashoko. From tonight, BiafraLand is not going to be conducive for you. You better relocate from Abuja.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video and hear it coming direct from PM and Biafra government in exile, will be Simon Ekpa. He don't talk about say may they relocate to go for Abuja. Say Biafra threatening will not contend them if they keep on serving in Biafra threatening. So my people, what do you think about this video that Simon Ekpa made and all the whole order I have given? Do you think that is getting it right or is getting it wrong? Your opinion is needed. Leave it in the comment section and tell us what you think about what Simon Ekpa said. Is he making the right step for the Biafra people, or is there another way he's supposed to go it? So drop the comment below. I believe we will see this video and we will hear you out. Okay, my people, don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel and share this video. Share this video to everyone you know. Share this video, very important, and follow this page for more updates. Thank you so much for watching.